Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a tarot healer by Esther Ganda. So let's see ano kayang messages advice ng ating angel spirit. So this is something a random gabay. A random gabay. So this reading is a general reading naman, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit the bell for more videos update. So guys, this is a random gabay for the sign of Libra. So Libra. Let's see ano kayang messages sa'yo ng ating angel spirits. Alamin na natin yan guys. So let's watch this. Angel spirit guide, please give information po. So there's the Sun card. Now, there's something pure positive outcome. Magiging maganda ng kalalabasan dito. Na magiging maganda na daloy na sitwasyon. Na manatili kang positibo ha. There's something a big shot and big money coming in. May malaking pera papasok. Now, may potential ka para maging masagana pamumuhay mo. Pangalagaan, protectionan mo ang iyong mental health. There's a Three of Swords. Now, there's something a pain. Some of you makakaranas ka ng mga disappointment, of betrayal. No, kaya kailangan na alam mo dapat sa sarili mo na yung pangangatawanan mo, no, yung pag-iingatan mo. And there's a Knight of Swords. Nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety, sleepless nights. Not that because of worries. No, kasi mo yung takot at pangamba mo. No, so let's see what is additional messages. And because there's something guys with the word card. No, some of you magkakaroon ka ng travel, no, success, accomplishment, no, at magiging maganda daloy ng sitwasyon mo. And because this is something guys with an 8 of Pentacles, mag-focus ka sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo. Na mag-focus ka sa ginagawa mo. No? Alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo dito. Mag-concentrate ka. Na huwag ka magpapagulo. No? Kailangan positibo lahat ang iisip at lahat ang gagawin mo. And there's a tower moment for immediate changes. Some of you, malaking pagbabago na magaganap sa buhay mo. No? Maaring meron dito maaring mabuksan ulit ng panibago. Ibig sabihin, maaring ma-reveal, no? Yung negosyo mo, no? Ang hanap buhay mo. Maaring makapagsimula kang muli. There's a Three of Swords. Represent with the Nine of Pentacles with a blossoming, maaring lumago at lumakas ang iyong finances. Na magiging maayos na at magiging maganda na ang sitwasyon mo. And there's something the Six of Cups. No? It is something a past person na maaring nagdulot ng kalungkutan sa'yo. Now, there's something a past person coming back. Na may mga bagay na babalik din from the past. Additional messages. And there's an Empress card for revert. Na ibabalik ang katawan lupa mo dito at sigla ng buong pagkatao mo. Now, magiging maganda dadaloy nito. Some of you magkakaroon ka ng a blessing. Now, some of you guys na maaaring magbuntis ka, no? And of course, magkaroon ka ng panibago eksena. Mahalin mo yung sarili mo, alagaan mo yung sarili mo, focus ka muna sa sarili mo. Now, there's a Two of Cups with a partnership. Some of you may mabubuo ulit na relasyon. May mabubuo ulit na pagsasama. Additional messages. Represent with the High Priestess. So something an hidden agenda, hidden enemies. So maraming mystery sa likod dito. Na marami kang bagay na matutuklasan, marami kang bagay na malalaman. Na unti-unti nang lalabas sa'yo to. Na unti-unti mo nang matutuklasan lahat noon to. And there's a Knight of Wands, unti-unti. No? There's a something slowly but surely. Additional messages. So there's a Four of Pentacles. No, protection at pangalaga mo yung sarili. No? Ang iyong hanap buhay, negosyo, no? And this is something the lovers, no? It's all about sa love life, na konektado ang love life mo dito, no? Kaya kailangan protection at pangalagaan mo ito, no? So let's see what is additional messages tayo pagdating sa finances and career, love life, no? Relasyon at kalusugan mo. Alamin na natin yan guys, so let's watch this. Pagdating sa finances and career, ito na yan guys. So there's something guys with the Hangman. You're feeling stuck. No, you're feeling exhausted. No, hindi ka pa makakilos, hindi ka pa makagalaw. No, nai-stuck ka pa sa sitwasyon. And there's the Moon card, no? Kumbaga nakakaranas ka ng pagbagal, pagtumal ng negosyo o trabaho mo. No, parang ilang araw lang pinapasok mo. There's the Moon card with the Truth reveal. Malalaman mo to. No, and there's a Seven of Swords. There's a sneakiness. No, meron ditong kumbaga sumisira sa'yo. Na meron dito parang nagsusulusol or nagsisip-sip, no? Additional messages. And there's a Six of Swords. Kailangan mo na makawala at makalaya just sa situation na yan. And there's a just Four of Cups. Not just to reevaluate or analyze. na may mga bagay na kailangan pag-isipan dito. Klaruhin, liwanagin. Additional messages. So, there's something, the Fool card, a leap of faith, na huwag kang magtitiwala kung kani-kanino, magtiwala ka sa sarili mo at sa ating Panginoon. No? Kumbaga, this is something, a new start, na magkakaroon ng new beginning dito. And there's a 7 of Pentacles with a harvest moment, aani ka na rin. No? Ano man yung mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo, ano man yung mga bagay na pinagpagura mo, makakamtan mo rin yan. No? Mag-invest ka ng tama. No? Ibig sabihin, siguraduhin mo kung saan ka mag-i-invest. Ng time, ng effort, no? ng pera, material. And there's a 5 of Pentacles. No? Some of you guys, no, naloko dito. Nabudol ka. No? Meron ditong nabudol. Nakakaranas ka nga ng financial crisis, naipit ka sa situation. And there's something, the 8 of Wands. So there's a past communication, fast movement. Na makakatanggap ka ng mga phone call and messages, an email. And there's a Queen of Cups na magiging kalmado na ang pakiramdam mo. Kahit pa paano makakaluwag-luwag ka na. No? Magiging maganda na ang iyong pakiramdam. There's an Ace of Cups. There's something in you love coming in. No? Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, konektado ang love life at career mo. At the same time, no, mahalin mo yung ginagawa mo. No? Mag-focus ka sa ginagawa, mag-concentrate ka. And this is something the 10 of Wands. Marami kang bayarin, marami kang utang na binabayaran ngayon. No? Maaring nasa isang situation ka na kumbaga puno ng overloaded ka. No? Parang puno ka ng problema sa ngayon. No? May marami kang bayarin. May mga hinuhulugan ka. Let's see what is the additional messages. And there's something, the 8 of Swords. Napapalibutan ka ng toxic and negativities. No? Diyan sa trabaho mo, there's a lot of toxic. No? Especially dyan din sa mga nasa paligid mo. There's a star card for healing and recovery. Na magkakaroon ka ng healing and recovery and hope, may pag-asa pa na makabangon ka. No? At makawala ka dyan sa problema at kinasasadlakan mo sitwasyon. No? And this is something, guys, with the 9 of Cups. Maraming offer na paparating. Some of you magkakaroon ka ng promotion, no, tataas yung salary mo, no, magiging maganda takbo ng situation mo ngayon. So, let's see, hanapin na natin, hagilapin na natin anong ganap sa'yo pagdating sa love life o relasyon. So, let's see, let's watch this. Pagdating sa relasyon, guys, ito na yon. There's a devil card, no, may obsession, there's a toxic environment, or toxic people, there's a 9 of Cups with a wish fulfillment. Na may mga bagay na matutupad na. Na may mga bagay na may sasakatuparan mo na. Na unti-unti mo nang matutupad lahat ng gusto mo mangyari. No, let's see. And there's something, that 6 of Pentacles. Now, there's something, giving, receiving something by the universe. Magiging balance at magiging maayos na ang iyong kalagayan at ang iyong sitwasyon. No, sa iyong sa love life daw, kailangan mo maging balance. There's a give and take. No? Kailangan nyo pag-usapan to. Magkakaroon ka ng higher level of commitment o heart-to-heart conversation. No? Pag-uusap, matutupad yung gusto nyong mangyari sa inyong relasyon. No? And this is something, guys, with the 2 of Swords. Kailangan nyo mag-decision dito. There's a final decision. And there's something, the King of Wands. Now, look at the bigger picture. Lagi nyo titignan yung posibilidad pagdating sa relasyon. No? Huwag kayong tamang hinalaan. Na sense ko dito, masyadong obsessed kayo or something paranoid kayo. And there's something, the Wheel of Fortune, na magiging magandang takbo ng inyong relasyon, ng inyong pagsasama. No? There's a destiny and union. No? And there's a Hermit card, something spiritual journey or something, a deep soul connection. No? Ibig sabihin, napakalalim ng inyong pinagagalingan ng inyong relasyon. No? Maring twin flame and soulmate kayo. And this is something, guys, with the 10 of Pentacles, magkakaroon kayo ng long term. Twin flame nga kayo with the 11-11, no? No? Let's see what is the additional messages. And there's something, the Emperor, maging mature ka na at maging grounded ka sa kung ano man yung bagay na meron ka. No? Iwasan mo magpadikta, magmanipula. And the 6 of Wands, something victory. Na magtatagumpay at magsasuccess ang iyong relationship. No, may mga bagay lang na kailangan nyo magkumilos parehas. No, kailangan give and take kayo. No, hindi pwedeng isa lang kumikilos, isa lang ang gumagalaw. No, there's a hit of something moving forward. Makaka-move on na kayo sa struggles. No, sa lahat ng pinagdaanan nyo, mga naranasan nyo. No, kailangan, some of you guys, kailangan mo rin ng pahinga dito, Libra, ha? Masyado ka over-fatigue. Nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety, sleepless night. So, kailangan nyo maging balance. Pagdating sa relationship, kailangan nyo pag-usapan yan. Magkaroon kayo ng heart-to-heart conversation. No? Kailangan nyo ng pag-uusap ng maayos ng person mo. So, let's see what is additional messages tayo pagdating sa kalusugan mo. Let's watch this. Pagdating sa kalusugan mo, ito na yun, guys. There's a 2 of Wands. No? You have the power to choose. No? Umiwas ka sa bagay na alam mo nakakasama sa'yo. See, there's a 5 of Wands, meron dito nagbibigay komplikasyon. No, at the same time, there's a Knight of Swords na magiging mabilis ang eksena dito. Now, there's a big changes coming in. And of course, this is something, guys, with a 5 of Swords. Nagkakaroon self-sabotage talaga. So, it means may mga bawal ka dito na talagang sige kang nilaban. No? Meron kang bisyo sa sarili mo or meron ditong parang naaabuso mo yung sarili mo. And this is something the temperance, healing, and recovery. Kailangan mo dito ng, kumbaga, pahinga, ha? Balanse at kumalma ka muna. Iwasan mo muna for a meantime yung mga nasosobrahan ka na. No? So, ibig sabihin ko ano yung bagay na alam mo naman sa sarili mo yung nakakasama sa iyo eh. No? And this is something the 7 of Cups. There's a lot of options, no? Meron ka pang dapat gawin sa sarili mo. And there's something the King of Cups. May devoted for the person. You are also provider pagdating sa relationship. No? Maging mature ka na pagdating sa relationship. Isa to sa nagbibigay ng anxiety sa stress sa'yo. Dahil, kumbaga, kumbaga paranoid ka pagdating sa relationship. No? Kaya siguro isa to sa nagbibigay komplikasyon. Kaya, rin konektado ang love life mo dito. No? And there's a 7 of Wands protection at pangalaga mo yung sarili mo. Let's see. And there's a Magician for manifestation. May mga bagay na unti-unti mo rin mamamanifest na magiging maganda talaga kalusugan mo dito, pero kailangan mo umiwas sa bawal, ha? And there's a 10 of Cups with the happiness. Magiging masaya at magiging maligaya ang sitwasyon mo. Clear the boundaries, no? Kailangan mo makawala sa unhealthy situation, no? Or unhealthy foods. And this is something, guys, with the Ace of Swords. Mental clarity. Ngayon, maliwanag na sa'yo yung kailangan mong gawin, no? Ang kailangan mong iwasan. And this is something the 3 of Wands. No? May hinihintay ka resulta, document, papers, maaaring dumating na. And because this is something the strength with the confident, kailangan mo lakasan ng loob mo, maging matapang ka. May pangambaan, of course, paranoid ka dito eh. No? Overthinking. And this is something the Justice card. Consequences. Kung ano yung gagawin mo sa kalusugan mo, ganun din mangyayari sa ibig sabihin, kung magiging abusive ka sa iyong kalusugan, aabusuhin mo, no? Talagang magiging makulit ka at magiging matigas ang ulo mo, ano pa yung hihintayin nakakahinatnan mo, no? Ganito yung mangyayari sa iyo. So, let's see what is additional messages with an Eagle's messages and advices. So, let's watch this. So, let's see what is the Romance and Love Oracle deck. Okay, so there's something, guys, with romance. Now, romantic surprises are on the horizon. Be open to them. So, kailangan maging open kapag dating sa relationship. Now, and there's a Mystic Forest Oracle deck. Let's see. And there's a Spirit of Life. Remember, you are never alone. Oh, the Spirit of Life with you. The world takes care of you. Allow yourself to rest in the realization and feel the lightness in you. So, kailangan mong ipahinga yung isip at puso mo. No, kailangan mong alagaan yung sarili mo. No, hindi pwedeng bahala na. Kumbaga, kailangan pangalagaan mo rin ang iyong pangangatawan. No, at ang iyong spiritual. What is an Eagle's answer represent what? Represent within the next few weeks. No, within the next few months. Sa mga susunod na buwan, magkakaroon ka ng mga changes and development, and there's something romance. Malaking factor sa buhay mo ang pag-ibig. No? So, let's see what is the romance angel from romance angels. And of course, there's something, guys, with a heart-to-heart conversation. I told you. Di ba, kailangan nyo ng pag-uusap ng person mo. And there's an healing family issues. No? Kung mag-ihilom na kung ano man yung sigalot, problema ng inyong pamilya. What is the chakra messages? And of course, there's something growth. Magkakaroon kayo ng growth and expansion dito pagdating sa buhay mo. And there's a guest. No, ibig sabihin dito, maraming mga bida-bida at kontrabida sa buhay nyo. What is the Archangel Michael messages? Represent forgive yourself you did nothing wrong. Napatawarin mo yung sarili mo, wala ka namang ginawang mali, no? And write about your thoughts and feelings. Sundin mo kung ano yung mga bagay na nararamdaman mo dahil hindi ka ililigaw ng ating gabay, no? At may mga bagay na ibibigay sa ating angel spirit at ating archangel na para maunawaan mo, no? Kailangan mo patawarin yung sarili mo sa lahat ng mga bagay, disappointment na naranasan mo. Ganun talaga. There's a trying error pagdating sa love life, sa career, finances, and health. Kailangan mo lang talagang protection at pangalagaan mo ang kalusugan mo sa ngayon. So guys, this is a random gabay for the sign of Libra. Maraming salamat guys. So this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Maraming salamat guys and see you the next video. Bye bye and babush.